Hello, welcome. My name is Steve Bunker, and I'm the founder of Target Patients MD. I'm going to go through a deck that's going to explain the relevancy of what we do and how our AI technology can help get 4 to 5 new patients every single week to your practice. It's revolutionary, it's a game changer. Check it out. You're going to love what you're about to see. Let me share my screen with you. Give me 1 second. Okay, here we go. So, Target Patients MD, 4 to 5 new patients weekly, powered by artificial intelligence. This is how you do marketing, guys. This is the future. The future's now. Without marketing, no one sees you. Without branding, no one trusts you. Your chiropractic business needs both. We have a custom script that we will put on your website. We host it. It's 100% compliant with Google. It's been beta tested for 15 months and it's incredible. It's called the A.L.I 360. So you can visualize this picture here. Most practices are just wondering, how do I get new patients coming in and fill in my area, my patients, and giving me the growth that I need, the revenue that I want? Well, after we install this, give it around, I would say, 6 to 8 weeks, things start to blossom. And you're going to get a copy of this deck. So you're going to be able to read all the details on what it does. But we believe in delivering booked appointments, not just leads, because leads don't pay the bills. Booked appointments do. We build funnels and we're really awesome at it. It's all about the customer experience because traffic is one thing, and that's the easy part for us. But getting them to convert to a booked appointment using psychology is a whole other story. And that's what we're great at. So our AI delivers approximately 4 to 5 new patients weekly once it kicks in. Of course, there's different factors based on population density, based on the competitiveness of your area, the amount of ad spend that you're going to be using. There's a factors that go into this, but overall, we deliver 4 to 5 new patients. And again, you're going to get a copy of this deck and you can read it in depth, but I'm going to, just to save time, kind of be a little quick here. So this explains about the script and our software, what it does, and how we implement it. Okay, here's the solutions, the AI advantage. Nothing beats AI, guys. Okay, it's the newest formula for success. There is no human that can do what AI can perform, and we all know that. It's changing the industries. It's changing this industry, the chiropractic industry. So again, I'm not going to go too deep into this right here, but we're going to actually attract patients that you want, the ones where you get the profits from. Personal injury is huge. Spinal decompression patients, sports injury, stable long-term patients, chronic pain, wellness and maintenance packages as well. So, injured in an auto accident, well, they got to give you a call, right? This is where the money is. Give them a free exam with consultation. So, auto accidents is a big part of what we do. Work-related injury is a big part. The top 10 keywords for personal injury growth, okay? You can read this at your own will, but this is what works, guys, okay? These are the top 10 keywords that we push for personal injury, okay? Here are the top 10 keywords we use for new patient growth. And again, you're going to get a copy of this deck so you'll be able to clearly see and understand word for word exactly what makes us successful and what's going to make you successful. We build lead magnet SEO websites, not just your typical website. These websites are built from the ground backwards, okay? And it comes out Google optimized for lead generation, for SEO generation. That's what we do. So we can take your website and bring it to a whole new level. It's really awesome. And I highly suggest that you have a homepage that's simple, that has a video that explains why you're different. Why are you guys better? By having that video and having the doctor explain and telling a story using psychology will convert up to 275% more leads than without a video. And that's a fact. Landing pages also, you want to capture leads. So you offer a super special, you have them fill out the form, and bam, they get the certificate, and now you got a lead. Whether they show up or not, it's our job to follow up using our AI, and we actually have a live call center too. Now, our ads that we create get 10 times better response rates. Okay. We beta test them. We use probably between 8 and 10 variations. We do not give up. We go back and forth with different call to actions, different buttons. So, this is what we're great at. And this is what grabs the attention. Then we put them through our funnel. You also should have a great YouTube presence, and we'll help you with that as well, because this will bring you a lot of leads. YouTube is huge. Call to action, schedule an appointment, new patient offers. These have to be throughout your website. They have to be clear and concise. These are call to actions. Here's a offer, $27 new patient offer. It explains what the offer is about. They fill in the information, they submit it, and there is your lead. And that's going to grab new patients. Okay. Now there's pop-up forms or pop-up that we'll implement on your website. Like when they're about to leave, it'll automatically pop up and say, "Hey, wait, before you go, fill this out." And we capture information, and that's another lead. And we'll follow up and we'll nurture these leads. This is all a strategy, guys. So again, subscribe to our newsletter. We're going to have this throughout the website. You want to have a clear call to action. Collect those emails and we'll send out monthly newsletters for you. It works tremendously. What's very important too is to have client video testimonials. These are real. This is what catches the prospects, the potential patient's mind and says, "Hey, I love what I just saw. That was an incredible story. I am booking my appointment right now." So it's very important for you to collect client video testimonials. And we'll show you how to do it. Also, the blogs that you put out there, you got to answer their questions, earn their trust, and book their consultation. And we do blogs for you guys. So this is all within a turnkey solution. Everything you see here. Now, remember, it's important to create separate pages for your treatments. You want a page on just back pain, a full page about ankle pain, a full page about arthritis, because Google's going to capture each individual page. You can't have more than one on a page, otherwise, Google's not going to know what to show. And most chiropractors fail at this. And very important, use real photos. Do not use stock images. When you use real photos, it grabs attention. It's the real thing. Again, my name is Steve Bunker, Target Patients MD. Looking forward to hearing from you. Let's grow your chiropractic the right way. Let's get AI installed and watch the magic happen. I will see you on the other side.